Hey guys, welcome back to Super Mario 3D World. In the last episode, we did half a World Bouncer, and we're gonna finish him off. Starting with Woodline Lane.
This is gonna be such a long episode, I know it already.
Okay, let's go. Speedrun strat. Speedrun strat.
Speedrun. Oh, that's cool actually.
Yeah, that's why it's called Woodline Lane. Hey guys, you wanna get my crown?
I'd rather live.
Wow!
Yeah, you know, that's the preferable option for right now.
If it's an option, then how come you guys are attempting that?
I wanna die. Kill all the dry bones. Killed us all! I knew I should have popped. Okay, now there's no crown, so it's even very close.
Oh my goodness, Peach, are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you, I could die. Honey.
Wee!
Hit me.
I died attempting to kill. Oh guys, there's a star!
No!
No!
Luigi, stay on!
Luigi!
You fool! No one gets mad when I die first, but when I'm the last person alive, you know, yeah. Let's go to power up now. Nope, I just lost mine!
Oh my goodness, Pete. How come it did not kill you?
Sorry. And there's something here? Oh. I'm actually faster.
I know, isn't that great? All of your dreams come true
up.
to the star.
Right here. Don't die!
Whee!
Okay.
Funny.
Ow.
Okay,
The fact that
okay.
you made it is commenting. Oh, I almost got alive, boys.
Okay, wow, this is actually pretty tricky. Good thing we could grandpa so we can review.
Little to nothing. At least it's up.
I don't know what
it's called when you belly flop.
it could hurt you though.
Oh, we're not gonna get it.
Get them!
Okay, yes we are. Why is this fun when I take damage? This is amazing. I mean, it's your fault. That's me. Oh, that's mine. No. How did I fall?
Oh wow, guys! Come on,
I
guys!
hate you!
Whoa!
Guys!
Oh wow, there's something out here.
Why are they hiding these secrets from us?
Because they want them to be smart.
Funny.
Stop ground pounding. I know you want to review the road, but you might get someone pushed off. Wow. That's called being a murderer.
It's called being funny, not funny. Whole thing.
Hey, go!
What are we supposed to? Oh. Oh, jeez. I'm rolling.
Hey, careful! If you grab on me, I'll die!
I'm already. Oh, yes! I'm already 4 parallel. You got yourself with that shit. Oh. You lost.
Okay, we got everything.
Oh, I went in. Let's go. Whose great idea was this? I mean, I know it's a cool thing, but like, yeah. Who loves not seeing what they're doing?
Peach gets to go on a flag.
Let's go! Yay.
Wow, we completed this level in like 4.5 minutes.
My God. I mean, it took the same amount of time to do most of the levels, but that's actually decently hard, not my game. Second, go! I'm angry.
Oh, see!
Throwing mushrooms at you in real life.
And I'm getting extra thick.
Extra thick.
Oh yeah, let's go, Robert.
Roll drop is Percy.
Yeah.
Gambling first. Gambling first.
No. No, Robbie.
Gambling now.
Robbie first.
No. No.
What is she running away from?
Bowser.
And the house is gone forever.
Yeah, why are they
Steal the crops, burn the place down.
Alright.
Okay, let's gamble.
Try to go gambling with us. Okay, remember.
Let me do it all. Let me do it all.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yes!
We did it! We did it!
Come here, Mario.
We're rich. We're rich. 8.
Hey, that's 7. No, that's not right.
That's not
I'm
right.
trying to rip us off.
Well, we got extra coins though.
We got 777 coins that we gave her made up. They're supposed to great.
What, you guys don't like extra lives?
No! We're trying to lose lives here.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
What do you think? We're always trying to murder each
Water
other.
Speaking of murder.
What the heck?
Oh! Oh,
We-
no, I won, shit!
but nice try.
That's not your one.
I'm thief proof. Goodbye.
Maybe Steve. What the heck is happening?
I'm Coach Fruit.
Why are there so many
What
water?
do you mean he's code proof? I don't. That means code proof.
Oh, Billy Crown.
Oh wow!
I have brain damage.
No.
Water physics don't make any sense.
And it's called what? It's called Super Mario Bros.
Put up there.
It's alright. I already got a stamp. You will never.
I'm Mario.
You'll never palm me.
No, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I don't care. No. I got it. I got it. No. Come here, young man. You're in trouble. Weird. No.
Hey, wait, hold on a second. There's something up there.
Yeah, there's obviously something.
Hey, wait. Ethan, go back.
We have to get the thing first.
Yes,
God, how many
Evan,
times
go
I
get
have to
it.
see
Go
you
get
start?
it, Evan. Go get it.
Come on.
Bad cat.
I'm trying to live, but the pit is trying to kill me. My body.
Yay!
Congrats,
You did it.
Hey, stop trying to kill me.
Oh no!
I want the crown. Give me the crown.
Oh.
At first, let's go.
What the?
Toad's last. Sorry, but we
Full
have.
speed ahead. Nah, let's slow down.
Hey, get up there. You imagine if the insect gave me some stars?
Oh, that's
Oh, that's it. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay, give me the crown. Give me the crown.
Fear. Right.
Hey, wait, hold on a second. Can we check here?
Go. You said we should check. Guys, no one get bit.
No.
What? Oh my goodness!
Stay alive, Mario.
Oh,
I'm alive and I can't happen again.
oh, we're quite out loud. You're making it difficult.
Oh,
Are you kidding me?
we lost the bell too.
Well, thank you so much.
The biggest praise.
You know you
Thank you so much.
could. You know you could just sacrifice. Sacrifice
Is there
yourself,
anything
not
in this
sacrifice
segment?
anything.
This seems like so worth it.
It's called being able to.
Hey guys, wait. Let's kill.
Let's
Okay.
go straight into the wall. Straight into the wall.
Okay, but let's check. Let's check these walls for Invisi block.
Nope.
You know, it does build itself for a second.
Man, Peach is always going into full-on tryhard mode.
Nah, more like
You see
full-on
what I mean?
kill.
Oh no!
Oh my goodness!
Guys, get the items.
No, I get the items. Eat!
Yay! I got all of them.
No, you just waste. Okay, come on.
Wait, guys, get over here! Get over here! Hey, what the heck?
I'm here.
We're here.
There's probably something down here. I mean, I hope so.
No! I'm alive.
Hey guys, should we check to make sure that we're not missing anything?
Oh, we definitely missed more than.
Yeah.
Ah!
There's probably something in there.
Hey, wait, hold on a second. I remember. Go. There's something above the pie. Like,
Of course, there's
Wait.
something above the pipe.
yeah. Look, look.
Oh, clown.
Yay! It's been so long.
Everyone get in the corner.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
I made it in.
Oh wow. I think I made it last.
I'm landing first. No, I'm not.
Oh wow, I made it third.
No. I can't.
Ah! No! Code is making it.
I'm having a seizure.
I'm experiencing chest pain.
Oh, we missed the star.
We didn't miss this. Oh, we did miss a star.
Did, clearly.
Okay, go to this hall.
Let's
go,
golden flag.
Yeah, you guys didn't be patient. Good gracious.
Well, we got the flag anyway, so
Yeah.
whatever.
Should we do the second
camera.
star? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey viewers, we're gonna get the second star off camera,
We're not
okay?
gonna waste time looking for it. This video
It's a
is gonna be
tadpole.
long. Good tadpole. Too bad it's hostile.
I could have got it the crown if it weren't for impatient people.
Yeah, too bad.
Yay!
Good hostile.
Yeah!
That's Rob Toad.
Little guy. I'm picking. It's gonna be the big one. It's definitely gonna be the big one. I'm already accepting that problem. It's the big one.
How do you know?
It's the big one.
Great.
What the heck? Are you kidding me?
We didn't
Evan, what the heck?
Nah, man, nah.
Evan, hey guys, remind me that we should kill Evan.
Oh yeah, please
Yeah.
do. Let's lose more lives.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll kill him at this one.
Hey guys, you don't need to. I will do
Oh,
myself.
oh no, not this one. It's where we have. Remember those cannon boxes?
Oh, light bulb.
Yeah.
Guys, don't worry. Oh no, it's red light.
Oh, look at.
I can see. I told you. I'll do myself.
Oh, Luigi, there's something over there.
No.
Remember. Yeah, but if Luigi dies before we get there, then
Oh,
we will
Luigi,
miss
get it. Luigi, get it. Right there.
Alright.
Right there.
Is it a Luigi button? It looks more like a peak button. Oh, never mind.
What do you mean? What do you?
Okay,
How did I
die. Okay, die.
Oh wow, I'm gonna kill him.
Haha, go.
Are you kidding me?
How did you do that?
Good gracious!
How do we do that?
How?
Because
Why
someone
do you
needs
guys
to know.
are always so impatient?
I'm not impatient.
Speedrun.
Yeah! Oh yes!
Wow, we can't even pick ourselves up.
Disco party.
Disco party, let's go.
No, let's try. No.
Pop the booze. Pop the booze. Pop the booze.
A belly busting game might alive.
Meow.
No, you're gonna die now. You're gonna die now. Alright, go get the button.
I think go get the button. Get the button.
I'll go.
Hey guys, let's kill the big boo, okay? Don't
Yeah.
go anywhere.
Probably
Kill him.
pathetic.
Die.
Eee.
Okay, but no one. Toad, get down here.
Okay.
Okay, wait, this is.
It's in the mirror.
No, I hate the mirror.
You thought you were gonna jump in.
Get die, guys. I'm leaving you.
Look out! Whoa!
I love being 100%.
Whoa, man. Oh. Hey. Wow.
What's the ghost house? Gotta have some sacrifice.
Mine. Yeah!
It's gonna be so
Die.
sad.
Die, Bonehead. Nice try, you.
I know, I'm picking up
There should be
stairs.
something around here. Something?
I don't know. Oh my goodness.
Or are we just wasting our time?
I wouldn't. Let's go.
Deeper into the house?
Double light, double light. What the
Yeah, there's nothing out there. Come on, guys. Wee.
Can we go back?
Okay, wait, hold on a second. I remember this. There's
Oh, I like that.
mystery box. Mystery box over here.
Go in.
Here's a mystery box.
I bubbled.
Goodness me.
Oh,
wow.
You're the reason we couldn't get it. I bubbled up. Let's do this again.
Yeah,
I'll be speed.
No, let me get it. Let me get it.
Bye, guys.
No.
Okay, guys, remember mystery box. Okay, remember it's not the right side. It's right here. What the heck?
You didn't run. You just fell.
Oh wow, we are being so dumb.
Yes, you're not getting up here.
Frick! Frick! Frick!
You're not getting
Whatever.
Okay, remember.
Lucky me.
I didn't die. That's so okay. Die. Okay, kill them. Die.
Yay! I got it. Let's go. Yay! I'm out.
Oh, there's a door.
I'm like, how are we supposed to jump on that?
Yay.
Don't you just love her in the door? Oh yeah, it's just gonna continue to bounce.
Pretty obvious. Oh! There's a door over here.
Guys, get in here.
Oh.
Wait,
Probably gonna be enough.
Probably not so easy.
not.
Bonus? Oh, I'm not.
It's gonna be
Oh, thanks.
Oh wow. Luigi, come on, it's time to conquer your fears.
No.
No!
Hey, don't take me off!
Yes.
We need to kill all these dudes.
What the heck? Why are you going into homicidal mode now, Pete? Oh my goodness, stop it!
Oh my god, you got 782 lives. No.
Yeah, but right out loud!
Hit it! Ah, you see it. Ah, you see it.
Oh, look at
Oh no, wait!
I feel like that's way too easy. There was
More like way too hard. Oh wow!
Yes!
Wow!
Yes!
Goodness me, we are so bad at it. Oh wow!
Yay, the tryhard! The tryhard! Okay. But you're bad. Wait, no! You just lost yourself. I hate you. Why would you do that?
Oh my god! I died.
Okay, I still have a hat. Oh, you can just run into him, you're right.
I got the your bad suit. Your bad suit.
Okay, I already remember which one it is.
Go,
Might
Toad,
be-
go.
Oh wait,
Oh, it's
Fools.
opposite. It's the same up here.
Now it can actually just crouch and enter.
Yeah, let's.
Play.
Whee!
But the your bad suit, you don't need to do anything.
Luigi does not look like a bat. Looks
No,
more
you're
like a
bad.
bad.
You're bad. You know, the stuff.
Ah! Oh my goodness,
You can
why?
obliterate all your friends.
Whoa!
Yes.
That was on you. I was trying to save you, Toad. Oh, are you kidding me?
Well, I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
Okay, kill him. Okay, we got everything. We got the stamp. Okay.
I started to look the wrong way, but I still got golden flag. Let's go.
Ah!
Now
Yay.
one up.
somehow.
Well, we got through probably like 3 levels in 20 minutes.
My God.
20 minutes!
This is gonna
We're
be
not
long.
even done the Bowser fight. That's gonna take for a long time.
It's Luigi.
It's gonna take forever.
And it is not me.
Impossible.
I'm the winner! Because I had nothing. Nothing.
Oh yeah, I'm the winner.
I did
Oh, is that
not.
the final Fire Bros hideout? Let's see what it is.
Burn it.
Burn it. Hi.
Five.
Hip,
Five.
hip,
Five.
hip,
Hi.
hip, hip,
Oh, wait, hold on a second. It's not it.
Oh, it's just
It's a mystery box.
Yes.
Oh, now we have to
10
collect
stars.
10. Wow.
God, this episode's gonna be an hour long.
Log time. Yay, Katsu time.
I want the you suck suit though.
But what's gonna look? But what is it gonna look like?
Get
Get it!
Eee! We missed the top.
Who cares about the top?
Speedrun.
Hey, you bounced on my head.
I got it. Let's go.
Woo!
Again. Oh, except this time it's gonna be higher up. Good job, Nintendo. I'm proud of you.
No. Get it. No, I can't.
What the heck, Peach?
I just teleported
You
across the whole map.
try to commit
No,
suicide.
it's ridiculous. They're reusing old things.
I'll correct it.
You stole it from me.
It's not called Stewie, it's called the Stealthy.
Or not
Why
funny.
are you? Oh my goodness, are you kidding me?
Mine!
I just pushed this up. But frick, how am I supposed to do this now?
Betty figured this out.
I can do anything.
Saved him! Whee!
I lost.
Oh no.
Upward.
Are you kidding me?
They're undoing themselves.
Guys, that looks like it's 3 minutes.
Impossible.
I got bored.
Whoa!
Whoa.
I won again? This never happened.
I thought I was gonna win. Oh well, congrats.
Yay, I'm a loser.
You're not a
loser.
you're not a loser. You're a winner.
2 stages left. Let's go.
Yay.
Actually, 4.
Oh,
Not
no.
including the boss fight.
Oh, do we have to do a
45 minutes, let's go!
Oh, I remember this. This is the one with the cube.
Oh no, not cube. Oh, there.
Oh, geez. Ah!
You
made them mad. Who made them mad?
I made them mad. I
Don't
crowd pounded on them.
Oh my God, those cube streaks of God.
Yeah, but don't kill each other.
Can't afford it on this level.
We can't afford to do
Guys, for crying out loud, you guys are making it difficult. I mean,
We can't
or more
afford it.
likely or more importantly, the camera.
Okay, we heard.
Let's just do one person at a time.
Wee!
Oh, I thought you just killed yourself.
Oh well, that one makes the job much easier.
Get on here again.
Okay.
Hey, they're not bad.
If you ground pound me, it's that.
Who wants the flag? Okay, guys, let's all get on. Or not. Oh no! Oh no!
What happened?
Ah! Man, why did they put the stamp in like a very ridiculous location? Okay, I got you, Toad. I'm not. There, I saved you.
Okay.
Ah! Oh my goodness! I thought I was gonna die! Oh my. No! Don't kill me!
Damn it, damn it.
Oh well. Here's some new refreshments for everyone.
Mushroom's gone. Hope nobody needed that.
Oh wow, Toad. Wow.
I didn't try.
Oh wow, now we got mold.
Why would you
Crap.
pop me?
It's so hard to do that. I mean,
Jump.
Yes! No, please. I don't want to die! Oh wow!
I think he's still alive.
We're living.
Oh, okay, I'm safe. Yay, we live!
No, jeez.
Wait, how are we gonna get wolf?
Here, wait. Okay.
Oh, I made it. Okay, everyone get on.
Yes, I'm about. Oh, Luigi. The first level, we actually didn't all
Even
like
to each other.
Yeah, Toad thought I was gonna
Most
kill him, but I
deaths.
was like carrying him to safety.
We got the most deaths. Yes, I'm third. On. Yay. Are we also filming tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tuesday, actually. I think I'm over tomorrow.
Why not?
We'll be watching all day. Hey,
Daddy. Doing what?
watching.
What?
What do you mean? What do you mean? I could pick you up?
Let's go.
I'm saying this on camera.
Banning, you ride your bike.
Whoa!
Mostly
I'm gonna
boss,
get my car.
not.
Me, Ethan rode.
Hey,
Me, Ethan rode her bike.
Multi boss
Farther than
I'm
me.
like,
Oh, is this the one whole kill?
no,
Yes, I killed Evan. Let's go.
No, it's the one.
Oh,
No, it's the one. It's the one with the overgrown
along
clown.
with the toads. Come on.
I wasted all the jumps and dump cherries if you don't mind. Oh
Wow.
no, not this dude. He
Not
got a
the
new
demon.
outfit.
Oh, what a difference. Now he's now cold. Honey?
Okay, everyone,
Man, he has
run away!
nothing on me. Like, come here, boy.
Oh god.
Oh no! Oh wow.
He's all the way over there. How's he all the way over there? Oh, I died.
Someone get the crown. Yeah, I'm gonna get you.
I'm an
Okay, I'll get the crown. I'll get
distraction.
the crown. Hey Toad, come here.
You like my
Wait.
distraction?
No. No!
Yes!
Come here! I'm a distraction!
And I'm pathetic. Boing, boing, boing.
You just... I'm alive.
Oh! I got it! Frick.
I'm reading my... pathetic little...
Come on, guys.
I got the bottom! Let's go!
Yay!
Oh no, my
It's already
bad.
3.
We win!
Is it flashing?
This is gonna be like a.
No, it's true.
Then it's good. Let's continue.
If it's flashing, that means it's real.
Is it flashing? That means it's low. But if it's red, that means it's
How
dark.
am I in third
That's
place?
me,
Why am I in third place? I
I
deserve
don't
fourth! Give me food.
I don't know,
That
probably
way
he
she
was
was
there
there
for
for
me.
like, you know.
We can continue playing without that on the dock.
It's okay. It's okay. I can still play from here. All right. Oh, it's time for Histocrat.
Histocrat?
Remember
Oh,
that?
oh, yes.
Remember that overgrown
cheese.
earthworm?
The
Oh, the
cheese.
Hey,
Come on, let's go.
I can still play.
Oh, that's... Why did he not kill? Come on!
Well, here's one.
Can I... Or not.
Okay,
Nope.
guys, come on.
I'm going.
We.
D.
Oh, it's the queen.
Easy! Guys, watch this. I can't reach it. Well. There we go!
How can't? How? Like, how? Like,
If you spin jump, it gives you enough height.
yeah, but I'm speeding, I guess.
Yep, only
Oh, wow,
the
that's just downright cringe.
It's G! It's G's! Cheese!
I made it.
Cheese!
Cheese. is a
Cheese,
great
Gromit!
snack.
Cheese!
Cheese.
No, you got it! No. Wait, I know I should have gone in first.
Alright, let's go.
Give me the crown.
You'll never get it. You'll never get it. You gotta earn it. And Grandpa does not count as earning it. Remember that.
Well,
I win.
I wanna know
Yes,
your basic
Dakota flag.
macaroni, Jello, apple, and applesauce. And you can have some other
bananas.
stuff.
How
but-
about mashed potatoes?
Yeah, mashed potatoes too.
Yay!
It's good.
Okay.
It's not as bad. It's a
And
lot-
it is.
I have fish.
I win.
Oh, what? Luigi!
I feel cheated.
Luigi is so close.
Oh, I feel cheated. Final state.
Yay! We're going to Bouncy Land now.
Bows. Almost
Yeah.
final stage, not clickbait. It's only been 32 minutes. Sorry, guys. Please
How much did we
continue
use for
watching. We're desperate.
Very funny. It's time for the great tower of Bowser.
All of our 50 cents.
There was a 1-up right there.
I don't know why like
Yeah,
50 cents.
but it's
is
alright. We
interesting.
still got plenty of likes, okay?
Yeah, like 800.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Oh god, that goes up high. That almost looks like a Nevo. It's a Nevo!
Hey, it's his car.
Let's go! No, I'm in. Fix. Mechanic.
Hey guys, let's not worry about the car. Let's go.
Wait, what
No, the car!
There's something over here.
Wow.
You can walk over in that area.
Oh jeez, it's raining meteor!
It's raining taco. It's raining pain. It's raining torture, pain, and suffering. Hey guys, here's the first race car. Here's the first race car.
Beer.
Ah! Yay!
I'm playing emotion.
I win.
You guys were just playing all the 7.
Okay, we gotta go up here.
Go up in the cannon.
Oh.
Fly.
I can slide!
I'm just gonna check these items out.
Oh, I got all of. Oh wait.
Another called mushroom. Wow. Imagine dying. Hey guys, let's kill them.
Let's be bullies to the bullies.
I died and there goes the crown.
Bullying.
Well, yeah, we actually did need capture. Hey guys, kill them. We
Why?
did need them for a star.
Oh, okay.
You bully!
Yeah. Are you kidding me? You paused me. No, it wasn't your fault. It was Peach's fault.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention oatmeal.
Okay, there we go. Hey, don't grab.
I got it! Let's go!
Don't grab pound me, okay?
That's how you get, Toad! You're trying to kill me!
It never works when someone's close to there.
It works with someone who can't pull him in air. Come here.
Hey, don't kill me! Don't kill me!
I can kill you!
Don't kill me! Don't kill me!
I'm holding on to you.
Meows.
You're safe.
Okay, there we go. That's better. Oh wow, point!
I love you.
Follow Peach! Follow Peach!
It's in the
Weird.
way.
That is one tall tower.
Hurry alert!
Gold! You think you're the only one who can use power-ups? Oh, that's...
Oh, no, hurry alert.
Oh no, I can see where this is going.
So that's how they use it. Zora just put it on your neck. How does he know how to use the cat? Because he's Bowser.
He's been watching us.
Bowser's the cat. He's been wanting his own cat suit. He ordered it on Amazon. Yeah, I'm sort of just climbing this.
Heck, oh.
I'll save you, Toad. I'll save you.
What are you saving me from? Oh.
Wait.
Bowser. I want to keep you safe. Ah! Look out!
Failed me.
How are you all the way up there,
No,
Luigi?
no, you ran away though.
Okay, oh, here it is.
Okay.
I hate you, Evan. Mario!
Caro!
Sora, just run and climb straight up, okay, guys? That's how you do it.
Heck, wait, look
do
at that. No.
Come on.
Hey guys, there's an item box.
I'm waiting for it.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, no!
Or not, apparently.
Guys, I think I'm already up here.
Yes, you are. Just grab those pieces.
Nice one.
We won, guys!
Come on.
Oh, sweet.
No,
Yes!
Oh, we're dead.
Oh no, he's still alive?
Is that Donkey Kong in disguise?
Oh,
Look
no.
how
Who knows?
Oh, no.
Oh no, he's multiplying. That's horrible. No.
Oh, no, we're
I
dead!
gotta get take advantage of Neo.
Hey guys, free cat suit.
Oh!
Grab it, please. Grab it. Grab it.
Just press jump every once in a while and just hold straight up.
Okay, look out, look out!
You're right there.
Oh.
You failed.
Okay,
You
gotta wait. You gotta wait. Okay, there we go.
You waited enough?
No, we waited enough.
No. Kept it. Run.
I'm a con.
Don't hurt me.
Are you kidding me, Luigi?
Just teleport.
Speed run! No!
No, help me! I don't wanna go!
Guys, just speed run!
Nice.
Oh my cat, I can't do skilled stuff now.
What?
I got it! I got a cat suit. I gotta finish this.
Run.
Hit the POW block. Oh no, I missed it. No, the Infinity Gauntlet. He just sees the Infinity Gauntlet.
We did it!
Yay, and it only took 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Haha, 40-minute episode, not clickbait.
It looks like he's dead because he blew up into a fireworks.
Who knows? The dude reincarnates every game. Why didn't they do that before?
Why didn't they do that before?
I don't know.
Because they can't do it while someone's watching.
Are they gonna explode in fireworks?
Well, why can't they?
They're the
why
true
can't
evil people here.
What the heck? Oh, there's Toad.
Oh yes, the
It's not
stage
very-
we're playing.
I think I fell off.
Yeah.
I'm in charge. I'm in
There's
charge.
the stamp. There's the stamp. Are you kidding me?
Yes.
And,
I'm kidding.
Yeah, but wait.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, wait,
okay.
1 second. Don't. He.
I'm gonna
He-
wait up
wait,
here.
Wait, Ethan.
I'm waiting up here. Okay. Good
Yeah,
enough.
but still, you're.
Good enough. I waited long enough.
No.
Yeah!
Dang it, Ethan! Why?
I won!
Yeah, but
You
why are you
just
so
the
impatient?
owl.
Good gracious!
I couldn't even do that. I won!
You're so impatient!
Yes!
Yeah, whatever. You still need to be patient.
Alright, well, I do it again. Sorry, You ruined it! We're restarting the whole game!
No, we're not. We're not. All that matters is that we saved this Brixies. That's what.
No, I won! We're restarting!
Yeah, whatever. Whatever.
And I all the way from the start. Oh
From the
no.
very beginning. Oh,
Now we're all brace.
now's the way to end up.
Oh wow!
Yes!
Yeah, let's let's just watch the
Oh wait, no, wait, I
beautiful
forgot about the
credits.
credits. How long do you think it's gonna be now?
I don't
Let's just end it here.
Yes, it's an extra 5 minutes!
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm just expanding now. Are we in the
Man.
void or something?
I don't know. Hey, yeah, let's just on.
I'm gonna get a drink, man.
Okay.
Hey, man, you gotta learn to be impatient.
I am
impatient.
I learned how to be impatient a long time
Okay,
ago.
gracious. Man.
Try to find your name.
We're out. Oh, wait, there's Bowser. Looks like he's gonna leave in there to suffocate.
He's scarred.
He's gonna suffocate. Hey, can you imagine if we shoved him off?
Yeah. Bomb's upset with his life. Poor Bomb.
Hey, Captain Toad. Hey, where did these
Your
toads?
brother's Toad! We're just playing in circles now. Toad, you missed your brother!
Hey, where's Logan?
No one's going?
Yeah,
That only took 3 minutes. If that's the shortest ending credits ever. 3 minutes.
That's not over yet. Okay, what's the fireworks? There's a bunch of okay
Shapes.
wow. Yeah.
Hey,
Oh, there's this Brixies.
Here's Logan and fireworks.
Logan,
Yes!
you missed your brothers.
You missed your brothers. No.
Hey, wait, did you see the Comet Observatory?
Nintendo's other stuff. Oh, it's copyright.
Best times for
Okay, but best times for completing courses will now be displayed.
Black it out, black it out.
Fast Ghost Me characters will now come and visit courses.
Whoa.
And the step is, obviously,
Bowser.
Wow.
Meowser. And
Where are all the others?
of course, it's gonna be Pete.
I'm first.
Yeah,
Stole it from us.
yeah, because he stole it from us.
Whoa, there's something happening, guys. It's
Yeah,
a rock.
I thought they exploded the fireworks.
Yeah,
I thought it was just a rock.
it's a rock.
It's a rock.
Okay, so.
So,
Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe to stay tuned for our latest videos. Signing off for now, where Ethan needs to learn how to be patient, and that's all I gotta say. See ya.